Meanwhile, the Delhi High Court, interestingly, is back to the need for a uniform civil code in India, asking the central government to see if this is something that can be brought in. Now, according to the Delhi High Court, the modern Indian society is slowly becoming more homogeneous. This is what the High Court says. That means that traditional barriers are slowly disappearing, and this also includes differences based on religion, community and caste, although many people would still turn around and say that Indian society still continues to be very, very diverse. And therefore, the court in its wisdom noted that the changing society called for the need for a uniform civil code. On a plea involving the applicability of the 1955 Hindu Marriage Act. This is when the case was being heard. Now, a uniform civil code effectively refers to one law for the whole country, one civil law here. And it is to be applicable for all religious communities in their personal matters as well, such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption and others. Now, it comes under Article 44 of the Constitution, which is a part of the directive principles of state policy. And it states that the state shall endeavour to secure a uniform civil code for the citizens throughout the territory of India. Now, remember, currently different laws, in fact, regulate the personal matters for different religions, and this is, of course, true for all religions in India. The Hindu Marriage Act and the Hindu Succession Act for the Hindus, the Indian Christian Marriage Act, the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act, and the Muslim Personal Law, or the Shariat Application Act of 1937. Now, the idea of a uniform civil code is, in fact, a pretty old one, and it goes back to the British era, where, remember, in 1835, the British government had then submitted a report calling for unity in the codification of laws in India. But it had then insisted personal laws of Hindus and Muslims must be kept out of this. While criminal laws, of course, are uniform for all citizens and are applicable for all citizens of India, personal laws are based on religion, caste and faith and belief, and are separate for people of different religious denominations. Now, according to the Delhi High Court, a uniform civil code would be common to all. It would mean that uniform principles in matters of marriage, divorce and succession will be brought in, and therefore a number of clauses from different personal laws will be incorporated into a uniform civil code. The Delhi High Court further said that this will reduce conflicts and contradictions that exist in the society due to various personal laws. And of course, this was a part of a ruling that the Delhi High Court gave when it was hearing on a certain conflict of a marriage and a subsequent divorce application that had been filed there. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.